Hey everyone, I'm Chris Dalton and today I'm taking on the Adobe Lightroom 60-second edit challenge. For this I've been set the task of turning a dull city street into a neon nighttime scene. Now I usually spend a lot more time on my edits, but I reckon I can create something impressive here in just 60 seconds. Are you ready? Let's go. So I'm straight into the light. Let's bring up the exposure on that. Decrease the highlights slightly and up the shadows. Let's bring a bit more light into the image. Yeah, we've got a nice bright image now. Let's head straight to the color because this is the important one. So the neon look is really going to come from the blues here. So I'm going to lower the Kelvin so we get into that lovely bluish range. Yeah, that's looking sweet already. Vibrance up a little bit as well to really boost those colors. Effects now. Let's bring a bit of texture and clarity, just a little bit of clarity. You don't want too much. It can look a bit too heavy. Just a small vignette around the edges. Really bring out the white in the center of the image here. Yeah, that's working really nicely. Have we time for a little bit more? I reckon we have. There's a grate at the bottom that I don't like. Let's get rid of that. Bring over the selection over the part of the road and we're done. Well, I think that's looking pretty good to me, to be honest. Wow, well, time went really quickly there, but actually, I think I did a really good job. The colours really stand out, the vibrance, the temperature all seem to work really well, and I've managed to bring out that neon nighttime scene. The Lightroom app is really easy to use, and I really recommend trying it out for yourself. You can download it for free via the link in the video description. See how well you can edit one of your favourite photos in 60 seconds.